Hi, in this lesson you will learn how the game is played and how it differs from Hold'em. Let's jump right into it. Omaha is a community card poker game similar to Texas Hold'em, where each player is dealt 4 cards and must make his hand using exactly 2 of them, plus 3 of the 5 community cards. So right off the bat, we have a crucial difference between Omaha and Hold'em, because in Omaha you must use exactly 2 of your 4 cards, whilst in Hold'em you can use 2, 1, or simply play the board. This is something that new players often forget at the beginning. For example, if there's 5 cards of the same suit on the board, you don't have a flush, unless you hold 2 cards of that suit. If there's a straight on the board, you don't have a straight unless you hold 2 cards that make a straight with 3 cards from the board. In this course, we'll discuss Pot Limit Omaha, so this example hand will be PLO. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to calculate the max pot bet, but for now, let's see the hand. This is a 6 max table with blinds 50 and 100. PLO is often played on 6 max tables, but 9 max and 10 max are also available. The blinds are posted before the cards are dealt. The action starts with the player A immediately after the big blind, and he's got 3 options. He can call the blind for 100, fold his hand, or raise up to the max pot bet. These are the options you have every time the action is on you when you're in a hand. You can check if there were no bets or call if there were any. You can bet if there weren't any bets or raise if there were some. Or you can fold. Again, I'll discuss how to count the max bets in the next lesson. Player A just calls. Next 2 players fold. The button raises the pot. The blinds fold and the player A calls. So 2 players see a flop of Ace-Jack-10. The action starts with player A, who checks. Player B checks as well. The turn is a 10 and player A checks again. Button bets the pot. Player A calls. The river is an ace and player A checks for the 3rd time. The button bets the pot again. Player A re-raises the pot. Button re-raises all in. Player A calls. We have a showdown. Button shows his hand first, as player A called his last all-in bet. He has Ace-Ace-9-8 for quad aces. Player A can now show his hand if he has a better one or just wants to show, or Mac if he doesn't want to show it. He shows his hand and has King-Queen-Jack-9 for a royal flush. Straight flush beats quads, so player A wins the pot. Do you want to learn how to play PLO? Are you a beginner player who's never played Omaha before? Do you want to learn how to crush casual players easily? If so, this course is perfect for you. It's a crash course on Pot Limit Omaha dedicated for beginner players. You will learn all the fundamentals of PLO. You will learn what hands to play, when to play them, and how to play them. You will learn the basic strategies that allow you to be a winning player at your home games or microstakes online. If you want to learn PLO quickly and easily, get this course now at gokupoker.com.